Hello, I'm Ajang Olim. I'm a Nigerian and I'm stationed in Nigeria. I trained at the Premier University of Calabar. I am trained as a medical laboratory scientist in both training and in practice. I have spent a better part of my adult life around laboratory medicine. My host organization, which I'm affiliated with, is NALEC. NALEC is National Laboratory Equipment Calibration Center. NALEC is a subsidiary of MLSCN. MLSCN is the Medical Laboratory Science Council of Nigeria. It is the licensing body that actually licenses medical laboratory professionals in Nigeria. The goals and objectives of this internship is networking, capacity building, collaboration, like teamwork, skills acquisition, and many others.
I'm Diagnostics Deputy Director and the Lab Manager of National Laboratory Equipment Calibration Center. I'm the General Supervisor of the ASLM Internship Program. There's a kind of collaboration, especially one of it is this internship program that has been established here in the Medical Laboratory Science Council of Nigeria. Another area where we have collaboration with ASLM is in the development of the curriculum for the training of biomedical engineers, in which I'm one of the technical working group that developed this curriculum. The role of the intern to develop day-to-day work plans with the field supervisor, and at the same time to write a final exam after posting each of the laboratories.
I have learned a lot throughout my stay in ASLM, both professionally and personally. Personally, I've learned time management. If I'm on a task, I have to do it speedily and on time. Then also undergoing training in M&E, remote training and evaluation, as basic as stable ethics. I learned it from ASLM. A lot of stuff there that I learned personally. There in the professional space where I am stationed, NALEC happened to be the agency responsible for calibration. Prior to this time, even though I trained in Premier Institute, I basically had little knowledge about calibration. Coming to NALEC and as a result of ASLM is how I learned calibration. I would never know anything about how to calibrate as simple as a details. But when I came here, I got to know. I actually rotated around 4 scopes, the temperature, volume, mass, and pressure. So I learned a lot professionally and also in collaboration, AMR, that's antimicrobial resistance, and a whole lot of others. The advice I have for other interns who are coming in, I will just say one thing: be ready to learn. Yeah, I have a lot of hands-on experiences, courtesy of the ASLM, and that is the beautiful aspect of it. Thank you.